Alright friends, let's get started with this JavaScript tutorial or course. The first thing we need to look at is the console.log function. It's a globally available function in JavaScript and in Node. Additionally, there's a shortcut in Visual Studio Code. If you type log and hit enter, it will autocomplete to console.log for you so you don't have to worry about typing it out manually because the code editor does it for you. All you need to do is place inside whatever you want to write. In this case, we need to write hello world in the console. Let's do it the following way. First, I'm going to declare a variable called message, for example, and I'll assign it the string hello world. Then I pass message to console.log, hit run, and you'll see the message is there in the console. If I run the tests right now, you'll see that they are executed. I could also pass more arguments to this console.log. For instance, in this case, it's printing the string hello world twice, but I could also write a number. I could even write, for example, an object that says hello world as well, or doesn't worry if it's misspelled. No problem, it's all good. The console.log serves to print various things in the console whenever we need it. It's good practice to know what's happening with your code at different lines, which is why it's recommendable to use console logs to see the result of the transformations of the functions you're using, or ultimately, to get feedback from your own code. Perfect. Then let's move on to the next exercise.